Hello, baby lovers. My name is Viviana, and you're welcome to Bibi's Kitchen. So today we are going to be making a fairy Edikaikong. I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious, mouth-watering Edikaikong you have ever tasted. Here is our recipe: Nkong ubong, momo ikong, mfi, goat meat, uname boat. You have to wash it with salt and warm water to remove all the dirt. And then you have your pomo, cut your pomo, then you wash it very well to remove all the sand and all the dirt inside. So you wash it like 3 times. And then I have my pepper. I use yellow pepper because it gives me a very nice aroma. This is me slicing Nkong ubong. I slice my Nkong ubong at home because I like to wash it myself to remove all the sand that comes with it and to slice it to my desired size. And then the same thing applies to my momo ikong, which is water leaf. I wash it very well at home, remove all the seed, and then I start slicing it. You have to slice it to the minimum, very tiny. That is why it's called Edikaikong, because the leaves are not supposed to be visible. So you slice the leaves very tiny. After I'm done slicing my water leaf, I'm going to move over to chop my onions because I'll be using it to steam my protein. These are my recipes that are beautifully laid on the table. I have my red oil, my pounded crayfish with yellow pepper, my stockfish, my dry fish, my onions, my goat meat, my water leaf, my Nkong ubong, my diced pomo, and my mfi, also known as periwinkle. Then my seasoning, my salt. Everything is beautifully laid on the table. And they are ready to be cooked. Let's get the cooking rolling. I'm steaming my protein. I've added my diced onions and yellow pepper, my meats. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Normally we don't use onions in Edikaikong, but because I'm steaming the protein, so I'm going to add a little bit of onions just to give it a little bit of flavor. Then I'm going to put my salt. So I added my seasoning. You can add yours to taste. Allow it cook for a few seconds until the seasoning is well mixed with your meat. Before I will add a little bit of water. Then I'll mix it together. So I'm going to cover the pot. Allow it to cook for some time until the meat is soft and tender. After then, I'm going to add my water leaf to the meat and I'm going to mix it together. You're not going to add any other water because water leaf will bring out its juice. Then I'll add my remaining periwinkle. I'm going to add my stockfish and my dry fish. Please take note that my stockfish is already pre-boiled. I already pre-boiled my stockfish and washed it with salt before I added it here. So I'm going to allow it to steam out and allow the water from the water leaf produce the juice we need. And when you open it, you see, voila, we have a lot of juice in it, even when we have not added water. That is Edikaikong. Edikaikong, you don't add too much water. So you're going to mix everything together and then you're going to put your palm oil. You're going to put palm oil according to how you like it. Then by the time you put your palm oil, you're going to mix it with the water leaf. Mix it very well. That means you keep stirring it and make sure that the palm oil is okay. As you can see, my palm oil is just a little bit. You're going to put your pounded crayfish. I use mortar to pound my crayfish instead of blender because I do not want it to turn to dust. I prefer to feel the taste of my crayfish in my food because it's sweeter and it gives you the homemade flavor. If you don't want your neighbor to come to your house knocking on your door with plates in their hand, do not follow my recipe because this recipe gives you irresistible aroma. Even if they are 5 houses away, they will still perceive it and they will come to your house for some minutes, maybe for like 7 to 8 minutes. Then you are going to stir it again. By the time you see your palm oil floating on the pot, it means the palm oil is well cooked. And then you are going to add your Nkong ubong. Because this is Edikaikong, the moment you add your Nkong ubong, it means the soup is ready. So now that you have added your Nkong ubong, you are going to stir it a little bit just to mix it. And then you check your water quantity. You see that the food thickness is according to your taste. Just cover the pot and then turn off the gas. The steam from the pot will allow the Nkong ubong to be cooked. Voila! Edikaikong is ready. I'm having mine with gari and a friend of mine is having hers with rice. So let me know if you'll be trying this recipe and what you'll be having it with in the comment section. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and share with your loved ones on how to prepare mouth-watering delicacy. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing recipe.